Hello everyone, again this is Michael. We are today in Slough doing a level 3 inspection. Part of our inspection was flying the drone above the roof. We have loft conversion, and from the ground level you can't see the condition of the roof and what is even covered with. We were very close to the roof, and actually that gave us very good pictures and video of faults present on the flat roof. Flat roof was covered with a modern EPDM, but the edges are done very poorly. They're full of cracks. The flashing around the chimneys are poor and sticking out. In the loft we couldn't actually see any dampness due to the dry lining of the walls, but I'm pretty sure the walls are, during the rains, are wet underneath, as the wood is already exposed to the elements externally. When you're flying the drone, you can actually clearly see, for example, gutters full of moss and vegetation growing inside, completely blocking the gutters. Hello again. We will talk now about private valuation. It's not for the bank, it's for customer view only, pretty much, to know if the value which they're paying for the property is correct. After actually doing the survey, we can properly assess value of the property compared to other 5 properties in the area, but taking into account condition of the property and possible faults which are already there. That can be completely outdated property. Some properties are not touched for 30 years. They have old electrical installation. Sometimes there are huge problem with the roofs or big problem with the dampness, which can badly affect the value of the house. That means valuation on these cases like this are very important. Even without we giving some indication, but only if you will book the private valuation, we can actually provide more comparable properties and give you full indication of the value of the house. Part of our surveys is using the moisture meters like that. That is quite advanced device which can actually, besides giving us readings of the moisture in the walls, wood and other surfaces, tell us also about dew points and condensation in the house, moisture levels in the air. That is sometimes very helpful as additional tools to take to account what is the reason why the walls are dumpy, why the mold appear in the houses. Whole house looks almost dry in the house, but in two walls we found some dampness close to the bottom of the walls. On other side of the walls there are drainage pipes and there are water pipes in the sink. There is big chance there is some leak or lower level which we can see behind the furniture, and that can actually be absorbed by the wall and actually go up and rise a little.